boyfriend? Where's your girlfriend? Where's your wifey? Where's your husband? Happy Valentine's Day, guys. It's Valentine's Day today. Have they spoiled you yet? Huh? Have you received your roses yet? Have you received money wrapped in roses or roses wrapped in money? Huh? Have you received your car yet? Your designer bag, designer shoes? Nyadlala, guys. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody, whether you're in a relationship, whether you're in love or you're not in love, or you don't have a boyfriend, or you don't have a girlfriend, you don't have a wife, you don't have a husband. Happy Valentine's Day to you guys. Valentine's Day is for everybody. Valentine's Day is about love. It's not necessarily for people that are in relationships only. No. You can extend love to your friend, your mom, your brother, sister. So Valentine's Day is for everybody. So yeah, guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, guys. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for returning, and to my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. So yeah, guys, it's around past 2 now. I'm quickly rushing to mainland to fetch my niece there, and I just want to quickly get inside the mall and do one or two things there. Yeah, because I have to quickly rush back. I've got a client that's coming to collect something, so I need to quickly rush back, and the traffic is crazy. Is it because today is the 15th, or people that get paid on the 15th got paid today, because the 15th is tomorrow? So yeah, guys, yeah, for those who don't know me, I go by the name of Ntsako. Some call me Mamati Girls, and some call me Zash. Yeah, guys, so I'm on my way to mainland now, and I've been trying to call her. For some reason her phone is not going through, and she's not really familiar with this place, because she's like a first-year student, so I have to quickly go and fetch her. She's coming back from school, so I need to quickly fetch her, and then go inside the mall, do 1-2 things, then quickly rush back home. So yeah, guys, I'm just here to say happy Valentine's Day, and I love every single one of you, especially to the ones that subscribed and the ones that are still gonna subscribe. I love you guys. So yeah, we're sitting on 92 subscribers, and I'm hoping that by the end of February would be at what do you call this, 100 subscribers. Yeah, only if you guys subscribe, because yeah, let me go to mainland, because I'm driving now and need to concentrate, because the traffic is crazy. I don't know why, because it's still early. So yeah, guys, let's go to mainland. Yangano. Hello. Yeah, you don't allow. Ay, ba na?
The next day.
Good morning. Morning, guys. Morning. Today it's the following day, which is the day after Valentine's Day. Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys received lots of love yesterday, lots of gifts, lots of everything nice. So yeah, guys, today is Saturday and it's still morning. Like, it's literally like to 8. to 8 in the morning. I'm taking my niece to campus. There are some stuff that she needs to sort out before Monday, before she attends class on Monday. So she went to campus yesterday, but they could not assist her, so they told her to come back this morning. Actually, it's just to sort out her student card thing, and then Monday she'll start attending. We thank God for that, because bekuningi nje usathani bekangenelela usathane, but we didn't give Satan that opportunity to win, child. So guys, I am going to, I think it's safe not to say, so I'm taking her to campus. And then also guys, the weather today, it's screaming muhodu. It's screaming muhodu. I want muhodu. I'm craving for muhodu. So hopefully on our way back I'll pass by Marabastad and get muhodu. I also don't like going to Marabastad on weekends because it's chaos. And guys, so there's something bothering me. So yesterday I was busy sorting out my materials. Let me reduce the volume. I was busy sorting out my materials for my upcoming order that I have, wedding order that I have, and I realized that I might have paid for a fabric that I left at the shop, because yesterday I was busy looking for the fabric. Actually, it's not fabric, it's lining, like 15 meters or 20 meters of lining. So that has been bothering me so much because it's a lot of money and I can't find it anywhere in the house. So, and I can't find the receipt. That's the other problem. But I do have the receipt that comes out from the speed point or something like that. I can't find the detailed receipt. Only that small yana receipt that comes out from the speed point machine. So I've got that one. So I don't know if they'll be able to reprint for me at the shop, just to show, that will show rather what I bought, because that's a lot of money. And if indeed I left the material there and paid for it, they might not give me the material back, because there's makulas, there's something else. So that has been on my mind, and it's stressing me because I've spent a lot of money, but I'm 100% sure I did pay. And another thing, so before we get out of the shop, they do check like one by one like they'll be ticking one by one. So, and you know what, I didn't vlog that day. Actually, I did vlog, but I didn't add the footage of me going to buy material because it was too long. I was buying plenty material, so I figured like, no, it's gonna be too long and boring, and I've done that before. So I decided that no, let me not add that content. So I ended up deleting the content. And I do remember I did cut that material, because I even helped the lady to roll it up back because it was a long piece of material. So I helped her to roll it back. So so I want to pass by the fabric shop. Oh, what's going on? It's still morning. I want to pass by the fabric shop when we come back, and then find out and see if maybe they can assist, because child, it's a lot of money and I'm not willing to spend another money on buying that material, if indeed I did buy it and left it there. So guys, that's my story this morning. I just thought I should vent a little bit and share the story with you. So it's been bugging me a lot. So guys, let's go to campus. And I look cute, guys. My fit, so cute. I feel like a student too. I feel like a screw. I feel like a screw. So guys, let us go. It's so easy to love. It's still Valentine's weekend. someone that is easy to love. Hey. Hey. Ah. Hey. Oh, Zamatando. Siagoa. Hey, ngithi siyagoa sifamba moyeni. Siyabuya Zamatando.
Now that's a dream.
Yo guys, I used to love this song during my club days. Yo! When it was so easy to love. Now siyagoa sifamba la. Sifamba moyeni, sifamba kwini la. Siyagoa manje. Sibadala, sifamba la. Sifamba moyeni. Yo guys, I need to share this with you. So we're at the campus now. So I just thought of my friend, one girl that used to be my friend. Okay, well, she's no longer my friend. We're no longer friends. And I'm here at this campus and it's bringing back lots of memories, guys. When we used to come here for Freshers Ball. Luna. Yeah, Yazin, we've been living. Shem, we have been living. Like when I was busy driving here, I'm busy telling my niece that, yo, when this place, we used to come here to groove, you know. I'm sorry, Mom. I know you're watching my vlog, but yeah, we used to come here. We groove. We came here for Freshers Ball. Those who know what I mean when I say Freshers Ball. Yo! So yeah, it's bringing back lots of memories, guys. Like, yo, Luna. Oh, guys, I mean, I want to be a girl again. I want to be a girl again. I don't want to be a parent. I don't want to be this one's parent. I want to be a girl. But yeah, guys, we're here. Let's quickly sort out whatever we came to sort out, then we leave. I'll see you on the other side. Yo, the walking just reminded me that I'm unhealthy. Anyway, later. What a day, guys. What a day. It's like 1:30 p.m. now and we've been here since 9. We just got our student card like now, as in like now. After how many hours? After close to 4 or 5 hours, we just got, like, the queue was crazy. Thank God we got the student card and we are done. So yeah, my niece is officially I don't want to say the school name or the university name, but yeah, she's officially a university student. She's officially a university student, so we're excited about that one. So yeah, guys, and oh my goodness, it's drizzling. So I'm glad that is sorted. Now she just needs to access her timetable and yeah, so she knows when she's going to school. So yeah, guys, come with me. We're going to look for mukhodu. And I pray I get that mukhodu. So if you know you don't eat mukhodu, I think you should not watch the next part. But if you eat mukhodu, then I don't think you'll mind seeing the next part. In lower zone, not low. Not low, right? Hello, okay? Yeah. Yeah. You know one more fast. Low. Yeah, oh. Ay, oh, agonya. Like only it's in Tolo, Yana. Yeah, and this one. It's like a 100 rand. Yeah. want more fat, yeah. Alright, thanks. Guys, I just finished buying mohodu now and oh guys, I lost my shades. I don't know where I lost them because we stopped by, there's a market somewhere we stopped by and wanted to buy a few things there, and I remember leaving my glasses in the car. I didn't go out with them, and as soon as I got in the car looking for my shades so I can wear them, I can't find them anyway. And I know I left them in the car on the side, like on the side of the door. So I don't know, when I closed the door they probably fell and someone picked it up because I didn't see anything there on the floor. So I'm thinking that maybe one of these parking guys picked them up. Like, I'm so bored, guys, and this is why I never buy expensive shades, but I really love those shades. I got them from Aldo. Like, I really love those shades. You're bored, Kesana. Bored. My heart is here. My heart is here. Like, bored. Guys, I love those krikri sunglasses. Like, they make me look like a krikri. Okay guys, let me go to, I was in my rubber start now. Let me go to, like, we're going home now, but before I get home I need to buy like a few groceries before I get home. I'm so annoyed, so annoyed, but at least it's not my phone, it's just glasses, but I really loved them. Okay, see you later. I got something to wear because Mugela can't drive without wearing shades. There is my little grocery shopping partner. Are you my grocery shopping partner? Hello, Sanbornan. Hey guys, so I came back a while back and I want to start cooking my muhori. muhodu. I want to cook muhodu. Yeah, I want to cook muhodu. So I washed my tripe off camera, and I want to start boiling it now. I'm gonna use my pressure cooker just so it can be fast, because I don't have the patience of boiling it using the stove. So I don't know how I'm gonna show you this. So yeah, this is my muhodu. There we go. So here it is. I washed it off camera. It's clean. I'm gonna start boiling it. I don't season for now, but I'm just gonna add an onion and a half teaspoon of garlic just for the smell. I don't like the smell. Tayo, bring me garlic. Give me garlic in the fridge. All set. My muhori is boiling. We'll call it muhori because I'm Tonga and we call tribe muhori. So from now on with the vlog, we'll continue saying muhori. So nishaka muhori, I'm cooking muhori. Okay, so guys, earlier on, okay, before you came back, you saw in the vlog, I went grocery shopping. Again, just to add on what we don't have in the house. Yeah, I don't think I should do a grocery haul, but okay, let me just do it, because some stuff I've already put it in the fridge, especially like yogurt, your fridge stuff I've already put it. And after before going to buy muhori, we went to Evergreen. Those who stay in Pretoria, I'm sure they know of Evergreen. I actually wanted to check for fruits there, so I got peaches. Those peaches, they were going for 20 rand. These are mainly for lunch for the kids. Got grapes as well for them, for school as well. I got red peppers just because with Niger food we use a lot of red peppers as well. Thinking of making corn tomorrow for Sunday goes. I'm thinking of making corn. Another packet of grapes that I got at Evergreen. Guys, grapes are expensive. Grapes are very expensive. Mainly, I always see this for like 60 rand at Pick and Pay and Checkers, like going for 60, 70, actually 69 rand, 70 rand. I don't know if these are really seedless and if they're nice, if they taste nice, but this was 30 bucks. So I got 2 trays for 60 bucks. Okay, I bought 3 cones at Evergreen, and I also got this at Evergreen. It's my first time buying it. I just want to taste them, and when you've got plenty kids in the house, I just feel like this is better than your tennis biscuits, your Ixamos, you know. So I feel like these are better, and I hope they're nice. And I got this ones for 129. Yeah, the price was 129. Yeah, at Evergreen as well. And I also got eggs. I got eggs at Evergreen. I actually wanted to buy it at the egg depot, but they were already closed, so I could not buy them. But these were still reasonable for extra large eggs for 80 bucks, 30 of them. It was still reasonable because normally it's like 100 and something, 110 or 119 for extra large eggs, 30 of them. But I got these for 80 bucks, so I felt like, okay, I'm saving. Okay, we got this, toilet papers. What else? This, my husband loves this. He eats it a lot. This one, he likes it. Yeah, even Tayo likes it. Tayo, you like it too. You and your papa love this a lot, so I added two more here. What do you call this? Tomato paste. Got spaghetti. My hand. We already have macaroni, so use this. So I want to start using it. So yeah, I got this. More tomato sauce. My kids love tomato sauce. Anything, it's tomato sauce. Cabbage. Tin fish. I think I bought 2 of these somewhere. I don't know where the bag is. All those Niger food, greasy food. Some juice. Kitchen towel, paper towel, and guys, we use cooking oil a lot here, especially with the Nigerian food. We use this a lot. And what else? We got wheat bix as well. I added more on this just because it was on special, so I decided to get one more. I've already stored the meat in the fridge, and like yogurt, viandes and stuff, cheese. I've already stored it in the fridge because we came back like earlier on, and I couldn't leave the fridge stuff like outside, so I had to put them inside the fridge just so it doesn't spoil. More on this. I prefer using MAC than Handy Andy. Like, I just feel like Handy Andy this nowadays is watery. It's not thick enough. So this one, it's thick, and the foam, and it smells good as well, and it's less as well. Paste. This one because it was on special. This one just because we still have like 2 bottles, I think 2 new bottles. I got this because I need to change my cloth, dishwash cloth. I did also as well on the soap just because it was on special. Yes, we normally buy 10 kg, but like I said, I'm just adding on. On most of the stuff, and this is the last one. We still have 1 full box of this one, and I think I bought it like November, if not December. Like, my kids are not eating cereal anymore, guys. They don't want cereal anymore. They don't eat cereal like they used to eat it. Like, now cereal, it takes time to get finished, so I just added this 1 kg because it was on special. But yeah, I think maybe I need to find something new for them to eat for breakfast. Yo, Mugele is wearing her birthday present, the pajamas that I got for her. Child. I bought her those pajamas for her birthday. That was a birthday present. So yeah, guys, that's just about it. I need to start cooking. I've already started with the muhori. Muhori. So this is an hour. This is after an hour of boiling. I think it's done now. I think it's soft now, so I think we are ready for seasoning, but this water is too much. But I like mine soft and yeah, very soft, not too hot. So let me boil it another 30 minutes, then we can season it. Okay guys, so my mogodu is boiled and we're gonna do all the seasoning in this pot. So I'm gonna first take it out. Or maybe I should add onion. No onion. No. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of paprika, small onion, and finish it off with this and a little bit of salt. My stock fell inside the water. There we go. Yeah. Hey guys, I think now we are ready to eat and the kids are hungry. So
The next day.
hey guys, and happy Sunday. So yesterday when I finished cooking, I realized that I forgot to do the unboxing with you guys. So if you remember on Valentine's Day, when I went to fetch my niece in mainland, I said I'm gonna go to like few shops there. And I went to MK Michael Kors, but I could not vlog there because they say they don't allow vlogging, so I had to stop vlogging. However, I went to get something smaller. For the girl. So I just want to quickly unbox with you guys and share with you what I bought. Yeah, so I've been eyeing this shoe for quite a while now, and I like it, man. I just felt like, okay, it's a nice cute sandal. So I went and bought this. How nice is this? I love this sandal, guys. I like it so much, though it feels a little bit heavy, but I'm guessing like as time goes on it will become lighter. But otherwise I love this shoe, guys, so much. I love it. So yeah guys, I bought this for myself, and yeah, that's the only shop I went to because mainland was crazy on Friday and it was too packed, and I don't like malls when they're too packed. I also don't like mainland is not my favorite mall. It's just the closest to me, but I don't like malls, mainland mall, especially when it's too packed. So I just got the shoe and I decided to go back home. And yeah guys, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. I've been wanting to do this for you guys for so long. So yeah guys, and also I wanted to do a little drip check with you guys. I don't know if it's gonna show, so I just wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing or what I wore to church. So the striped cardigan is from Woolworths. I'm just wearing a black vest from Pick and Pay Clothing. My belt is MK. My belt is MK. Pants are from Ackermans Women. Yeah, at the Groove, but it closed down. The shop closed down. So yeah, I bought my pants from Ackermans Women. I love the pants so much. So yeah guys, and I wore my this other sandal from Woolworth as well. So yeah, that was my church fit. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching up until this far. Please don't forget to subscribe, please don't forget to like and comment. So yeah guys, that's it, and see you on the next one. Bye.